Okay, so these are the home test kits that we're going to be using, nice and easy. There's 3 of us. So we've got step-by-step instruction guide on how to do it. It's nice and easy. Basically register for your courier collection and register your home test kit online, so you receive a text message afterwards. And tonight you've got to take a swab sample from your throat and nose. Well, not tonight, I've got to do it for about 7 o'clock in the morning because they come in between 8 and 4. Give you a copy of the home test kit for the courier, receive your test kits, results by text or email because you've registered your home test kit online. So you can reassess results. Easy because my daughter's obviously she works in a care home and she contracted coronavirus a week and a half ago, so before I can go back to work I've got to do the test kit. It's a kit as it comes. You get the actual swab and you break it off in the liquid and you put it in the biohazard thing and you attach the labels to the bottle and the bag and put it back in the packaging. So I'm now going to register all 3 online and fingers crossed everything's alright. Yeah. That's it for now.